In this video, we'll show you how to set up a YubiKey as a hardware MFA token to secure your CloudConnexa connection using the OpenVPN Connect app. Before you get started, make sure you have a YubiKey 5 series device and the Yubico Authenticator app installed on your desktop or mobile device. You can download the app from yubico.com. To begin, your CloudConnexa administrator must first enable multi-factor authentication for your account. Once that's done, sign into the user portal using your account credentials. You'll see an enrollment screen with a QR code. Insert your YubiKey into your computer, then open the Yubico Authenticator app. Select Add Account and scan the QR code. If scanning isn't available, you can enter the enrollment code manually instead. Review the account details, then click Save. Your YubiKey is now linked to your account. Next, confirm the setup by entering the 6-digit verification code displayed in the Yubico Authenticator app, then click Verify. Finally, install the OpenVPN Connect app. If it's already installed, import your profile by entering your WPCURL in Connect app and authenticating with your account credentials, and then confirm importing your profile. From now on, whenever you connect, you'll be prompted to enter your password and the current 6-digit code from the Yubico Authenticator app. And that's it. Your VPN connection is now protected with hardware-backed multi-factor authentication.